Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the night stream where it's always night up here. What do I got for you? Some more Diablo 4 news. And what is that news? Pray tell. Diablo 4 is coming to Steam. If you guys like me covering Diablo 4 news, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. But let's get right into it, shall we? The action role-playing game launches on Steam October 17th. So that's coming up quite quickly. Now, as a PC gamer, usually games that are on like Battle.net, aka Blizzard game launcher, they tend to usually just stay on that launcher. They don't normally go into Steam. But I digress. Those who play Diablo 4 for the first time via Steam need to first buy the game on Valve's platform, then connect into Battle.net account. Ooh, really? This is required of all Blizzard games to enable cross-platform play, the company said. So you're still going to need a Battle.net account. All right? Steam players do get access to Steam achievements, their Steam friends list, and other option to invite those friends to play in-game. Now, here's the kicker. So Diablo 4 is the second Blizzard game to hit Steam after Overwatch launched on the platform in August. However, Overwatch 2 did not get a very good reception that I know of. I didn't really look too much into it, but I know people were really disappointed. For what reasons, honestly, I don't know. Maybe a topic for another video. But Overwatch's 2 Steam launch was met with a backlash from players and became the worst reviewed Steam game ever. Okay, I'll have to look this up. After years of dogged commitment to its own PC launcher, Blizzard finally caved in by releasing Overwatch 2 on Steam with the promise of more games to come. Blizzard has insisted its decision to release select games on Steam was driven by a desire to break down the barriers between gaming communities. So here's my thing. You're switching to Valve because your sales are down. Blizzard continues to go, it's our goal at Blizzard to listen to players and try to exceed their expectations with everything we do. See, I appreciate the sentiment. You know what I mean? If you're going to give me flowers, don't give me dead flowers, right? The intention was there, but the execution failed. Moving on. In today's announcement, Blizzard pointed to Diablo 4's Steam launch coinciding with the start of Season 2, called Season of Blood. Diablo 4 is Blizzard's fastest-selling game of all time, with over 10 million players and $666 million in revenue. Ooh, man, that's a lot of money. After just 5 days on sale, its June launch even propelled Blizzard's financials to record levels. But since then, the interest has plummeted, with a series of update missteps from Blizzard and lack of endgame content adding to the sense Diablo 4 is struggling. I did make a video of this, so go ahead and check that out. On Twitch, Diablo 4 is now regularly outperformed in terms of viewer numbers by rival action role-playing game Path of Exile, which is amazing, and even other older Diablo games. Well, first, I want to check out what's going on with the live player count here. This is from activeplayer.io. Online players within the hours, 245,776. Active players within the last 30 days, 5,274,267. That's quite a bit, right? That's quite a bit. But the last 30 days, it lost 1,365,042. That's a big whoa, a big ouch. Going back to the pros and cons here of the game being on Steam. Valve is going to take a significant amount of money from the purchase on their platform. It always has been that way. That's why it's safer to have the Blizzard launcher than it is to put it on Valve. So this to me tells me they are losing money. And they want to expand the player base. I'm just going to assume it's going to be able to play really, really well on the Steam Deck. So you got that going. We shall see what happens with the reviews after the Season 2 launch, because if you ever read Valve reviews, they could be very charming, and boy, oh boy, they could be very direct on if it's a good or bad game. But what do you guys think? Are you now going to pick up Diablo 4 now that it's going to be available on Steam, even though you do need a Battle.net account? Are you excited for Season 2? Just so you know, I'm really rooting for Diablo 4. So let's see what happens. Let me know down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. Talk to you soon.